Now today let's start with chapter number 10, clothes we wear. According to different climatic condition influenced by the type of dresses that we wear different types of clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes, in winter season we wear woolen clothes, and in rainy season we wear rubber clothes. Right? Clothes is a basic need. It protects us from heat, cold, dust and rain. We wear variety of dresses as per the climate, region and culture. People living in hot climate wear cotton clothes, while those who are living in cold climates, they wear woolen clothes. Like we have jeans, short, shirt, top, frock, skirt, sari and jacket. These are the different types of clothes that we wear. Right? Next we can see man's clothes. Men living in cities and towns, they mostly wear shirts, t-shirts, trousers. In villages and towns, men like to wear dhoti, kurta, kurta pajama, like जिसे क्या कहते हैं मुंडू इन केरला एंड वेस्टी इन तमिलनाडु. ये आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि उसको केरला में क्या कहते हैं मिंडू और तमिलनाडु में वेस्टी. मैन इन गुजरात एंड राजस्थान वियर अंगरख विद पजामा और धोती. मैन इन कश्मीर वियर ओवरकोट कॉल्ड शेरवानी. टर्बन का यूज करते हैं जैसे आपकी पंजाबी टर्बन, राजस्थानी, हिमाचली कैप एंड महाराष्ट्री कैप. देन वुमेन्स क्लोथ, like we can say women of India wear colorful and attractive clothes. They wear sari, salwar kameez, top shirt, frock. Sari is the most common dress worn by India women. Sari is draped in different style in different ways. Like Kerala में ऐसी पहन जाती है, बेंगलुरु में, महाराष्ट्र, बंगाल एंड कर्नाटका. Now other types of dress. There are some people who live in Himalayan region and forest. They are known as tribal people. They wear their own typical dresses. And the people who live in cold region, they wear woolen clothes and carry saws. और वो अपने आप को क्या करते हैं cold से protect करते हैं. Now the most of the men dresses trouser and shirt. देखो ज़्यादातर आपने देखा होगा जो मेंस लोग होते हैं वो trouser और shirt पहनते हैं. Like Tamil, this is West Bengal, Nagaland, Kerala, Rajasthan, Kashmir, Gujarati and Assam. These are the different dresses that are worn by the different people of different state. In Kashmir, men wear woolen kurta, जिसको हम फिरान कहते हैं. ऐसे woolen kurta होता है, उसे हम फिरान कहते हैं. वो उनको protect करता है cold से. In southern and eastern part of India, men wear dhoti with shirt or kurta. और southern states में देखें तो धोती पहनते हैं, which is worn as lungi. In Kerala, man's lungi is called mundu. और तमिलनाडु में इसको क्या कहा जाता है देस्की. इन राजस्थान चूड़ीदार कुर्ता विच अचकन एंड अंगरखन आर वर्न. एंड गुजरात पीपल वियर चूड़ीदार विद जैकेट. वो चूड़ीदार को पहनते हैं विद जैकेट्स. नाउ कैप, टर्बन आर टाइप ऑफ हेड गियर्स. राइट, ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है मेंस की ड्रेस की. द स्टाइल ऑफ टाइपिंग द टर्बन डिफर फ्रॉम कैप्स टू स्टेट्स. नाउ पीपल हु डू स्पेशल जॉब्स वियर स्पेशल क्लोथ्स. और स्पेशल क्लोथ्स को क्या बोला जाता है यूनिफॉर्म. सो डॉक्टर, lawyer, firemen, policemen, soldiers, they wear different uniform at their jobs. Children also wear school uniform when they go to school. So they are special clothes like brides and bridegroom. देखा ना, वो लहंगा पहनते हैं, शेरवानी, कोट्स पहनते हैं on their wedding. Like by seeing on doctor's dress, you can say that he's a doctor, he's a lawyer, school children and a bride. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.